Are you tired of waking up hungry and needing to snack just a few hours after breakfast? In this video, we will share 11 high-protein breakfast ideas that will keep you full for longer. These delicious and nutritious options will help you start your day with energy while keeping hunger at bay. So if you're ready to say goodbye to mid-morning cravings, keep watching. Number 11. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. Greek yogurt is a breakfast staple for a reason. It's high in protein, low in fat, and tastes great with a drizzle of honey. To make it even more filling, mix in some chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts for healthy fats and fiber. The berries will add sweetness and antioxidants. Number 10. Smoked salmon and cream cheese on whole grain bread. This open-faced sandwich is both delicious and nutritious. Smoked salmon is high in protein and healthy fats, while cream cheese adds calcium and a rich flavor. Choose a whole grain bread for added fiber. Number 9. Breakfast burrito with black beans and cheese. For a hearty and satisfying breakfast, try a breakfast burrito. Black beans are an excellent source of protein and fiber, while cheese provides calcium and a creamy texture. Add your favorite toppings like salsa, avocado, or Greek yogurt for extra flavor and nutrients. 8. Tofu scramble with vegetables. Tofu scramble is a vegan-friendly alternative to traditional scrambled eggs. Crumble some tofu and cook it with your favorite vegetables like onions, peppers, and spinach. Season with turmeric and nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. 7. Oatmeal with protein powder and fruit. Oatmeal is a filling and nutritious breakfast option. To boost its protein content, mix in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Add some fruit for sweetness and fiber. You can also top it with nuts or seeds for extra protein and healthy fats. Number 6. Chia seed pudding with almond milk and honey. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. Soak them in almond milk overnight and sweeten with honey. Chia seed pudding is a delicious and filling breakfast that will keep you full for hours. Number 5. Cottage cheese with pineapple and almonds. Cottage cheese is a high-protein dairy option that's lower in calories than many other breakfast choices. It's a good source of calcium and vitamin D. Mix it with chopped pineapple for a tropical twist and add some almonds for healthy fats and a crunchy texture. Number 4. Lentil soup with whole grain bread. Lentil soup is a protein-packed vegetarian option that's perfect for a cold morning. Lentils are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Serve it with a slice of whole grain bread for a complete meal. Number 3. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice. For a savory and satisfying breakfast, try a chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Protein-rich chicken breast is paired with nutrient-dense vegetables and brown rice for a balanced meal. You can also add a scoop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. Number 2. Smoothie with banana, peanut butter, and protein powder. Smoothies are a convenient and customizable breakfast option. Blend a banana for sweetness, peanut butter for protein and healthy fats, and your favorite protein powder for a boost. You can also add spinach or kale for extra nutrients. Number 1. Scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Scrambled eggs are a classic breakfast dish for a reason. They're easy to make, high in protein, and versatile. Add spinach for a nutrient boost and serve it with whole grain toast for added fiber. There you have it, 11 high-protein breakfast ideas to keep you full longer. We hope you enjoyed these delicious and nutritious options. If you're looking for more breakfast inspiration, check out our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Have a great day.